So we got these fart bags, and we are gonna go and put them in our sales manager's truck. The suspense is killing me. It's still growing. I want to open the door and like hide it, but I don't want to open the door.
This morning, I go out to my truck, I open the door, that same smell hits me. And I'm like, there has to be something that I've left in here. And then I leaned over that coat. It was the coat. Like I was like,
are you sure?
100%.
I left my coat.
I took it out of the truck, the smell's gone.
So we started this out with one stink bomb, and we got a reaction out of him, but he never found it. He didn't know what it was. So now we have 2 stink bombs. So we're gonna turn it on and circulate it through his air conditioning. Oh! We have just popped the second one, and we're recirculating it through his air conditioning system. So bad.
Oh,
do you smell that?
Rotten eggs.
Yeah, what is it?
Jeez.
Dude, it was gone, and now it's back.
Josh, you know I love you. We went to Horner Novelty the other day and got the Santa outfit. They had these stink bombs. The packets. And then we put one in your truck on the floor. And then we acted like nothing. And then the next day we did 2 because 1 wasn't good enough. And then you called me and I couldn't record it, but you were like, I looked this up and then the battery when it goes dead, and I'm like, oh wow man, yeah, that's crazy. And I'm dying laughing.